Use a voice changer in Roblox VC using a phone. Phones can't run a virtual microphone the way a PC can. iOS and Android don't let one app feed processed audio into another app's mic input, so there's no in-app software route here. Changing your voice on mobile means either hardware in the audio chain or accepting that it isn't really possible. Complete the age check first. Roblox voice chat requires a completed age check and an account set to 13 or older. The fastest route is facial age estimation in Settings, Account Info, Age Group. Turn voice chat on. Enable voice in your Roblox settings, then tap the headphone icon inside any experience where the developer supports voice. Grant microphone permission. In your phone's app settings, confirm Roblox has microphone access. Otherwise, the voice icon appears grayed out or drops immediately. Test your normal voice. Join a quiet experience with a friend and check your baseline audio before adding anything to the chain. Understand the limitation. Voice changer apps on iOS and Android record and playback clips. They cannot route live audio into Roblox, so installing one won't change what other players hear. Use a hardware device instead. An inline voice changer or a small mobile audio interface sits between your headset mic and the phone, processing the signal before it reaches Roblox. Check the connector before buying. Modern phones need a USB-C or Lightning adapter, and many PC-only USB devices simply aren't recognized. Confirm mobile support in the product listing. Wire it and test the levels. Plug your mic into the device's input, run its output into the phone, then join a low-stakes server and reduce the effect if your speech becomes unclear. Tip: the biggest trap is App Store Roblox voice changer listings that promise live voice modification on mobile. They can't deliver it, and many are ad-heavy or ask for permissions they don't need.